And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from this week's Common Ground volunteer on the differences and similarities between corporate farms and family farms.
Now we are getting a recipe from her. Here's Brittany Fulton from Western Nebraska with a tasty way to make Chex Mix.
Hi guys, welcome to Pure Nebraska. We're here on my family's farm called Diamond S Stock Farms, and today I have a recipe for you. It's Chex Mix. We're gonna do 3 cups of each of wheat Chex, rice Chex, and corn Chex. This is kind of a unique recipe. You can kind of customize it to whatever fits your needs. So I know a lot of people like to put bagel chips in them, or goldfish, Cheez-Its, kind of whatever. I personally like, in my family, we like bugles, but I just do a cup of bugles. And then pretzels. I like the twist. You could do the sticks though, but you also do a cup of those. And then my last kind of ingredient for this part are peanuts. Once that's done, you'll set this portion aside, and then you'll start on the seasoning mix. For the seasoning mix, you're gonna have onion powder, garlic powder, seasoned salt, Worcestershire, and butter. To start this, you'll melt the butter first in the microwave about 40 seconds, and then you'll go ahead and mix your dry ingredients. And then you're gonna take your bowl back and you're gonna give it a good mix. You can use a wooden spoon. I kind of like using this tool. It works well to kind of get a good mixture. And then you're gonna take all your seasonings that you put together in your butter, and you're gonna pour it over slowly. Once this step is done, I still like to give it a good stir. And then you'll take a baking sheet, and you don't have to line the baking sheet. I usually put parchment paper on it just because I don't like to have a mess. And then you'll take your mixture that you did and pour it across your baking sheet, and you'll put it in the oven at 250 degrees for 50 minutes to an hour, and stirring very frequently. Every 15 minutes is kind of what I like to do. And then once it's done, you can enjoy. So this is your finished product. Real quick and easy recipe. It's great to take out to the field if anyone's working in the tractor. It's great if you have kids to bring along if you're on long road trips. It's also great when you're lambing and need a quick snack to get some energy back in you, and for those late cold nights usually is what happens. But thanks for coming with me today, and I hope you enjoy this recipe.
That looks really good. You give that a try.